Hello dear students, how are you all? I hope you all are keeping well at home. Today we start our new lesson in EVS, lesson number 6, Foods We Eat. So, we know that dear students, we cannot live without food. We cannot survive without food. If we do not get food for many days, our body becomes weak and we cannot do any work or we may die because food gives us energy. Food gives energy to our body, and with that energy we can do our daily activities, we can do our work. Now the question, what kind of food should we always eat? Or which kind of food gives us energy? So we should eat fresh food always. We should not eat stale and uncovered food which is sold in the market. We should eat healthy food because healthy food is very useful for our proper growth and our development. So in our lesson, here group of friends are sitting and they are talking. Let's see what they are talking about. We start from this first boy. He said, last night I ate a chapati made of bajra with jaggery. Jaggery means gur. In Gujarati we call god. So last night he ate chapati, and chapati is made up of bajra with jaggery. Here one girl, and she said, I cooked dal and rice. So last night she ate dal and rice. And what this girl said? She said, yesterday no food was cooked in my house. See? Yesterday means last night no food was cooked in her house. Maybe because of some reason no food was cooked in her house last night. Then this boy said, I went to the Gurudwara with my grandmother for the langar. We ate dal and chapati. So this boy is sick and he went to the Gurudwara with his grandmother, and there they ate dal and chapati. Now this girl said, Ammi had cooked kheer and puri, which I don't like, so I ate an chila instead. Her mother cooked kheer and puri, but she doesn't like to eat kheer and puri, so she ate an chila. This girl said, my mother cooked idli. I ate lots of it. It was really tasty. Maybe she belongs to South Indian family and her mother cooked idli and she ate lots of it. It was really tasty. This boy said, my mother brought dabeli for us from the house where she works. We enjoyed eating it. So his mother works at somebody's house, and from there she brought idli, and this boy and his family ate idli last night and they enjoyed eating it. Now on next page, remember and write what did you eat yesterday. Write it on the plate shown below. So dear students, here you have to write what did you eat yesterday. Suppose I said I had chapati, brinjal, khichdi, curry last night. So what did you eat yesterday? That food items you have to write in this plate. Now think and tell given to us. First, question is, how do you know that you are hungry? So dear students, how do you know you are hungry? So when a stomach is empty and we feel like eating something, then we know that we are hungry. Now, has it ever happened to you that someday you were very hungry but there was nothing to eat? If yes, why? So yes, it may happen. Suppose my mother was out for meeting and nobody is at home to prepare food. Now the third question, you must have noticed that in the picture there is one child in whose house no food was cooked. What could be the reason? So maybe her mother went out for meeting, or maybe she belongs to very poor family. Then next, did all the children in the class eat the same food items yesterday? Why? So no, all the children in the class did not eat the same food items yesterday because they all belong to different region. Different region means different area, and they have different culture. That's why they all did not eat the same food yesterday. Now on the blackboard, write the names of all the food items that you have written on your plate. And what would you do if you had nothing to eat and you were hungry? So dear students, this answer you have to write yourselves. Now the next page. Here given us Vipul's family. There are 4 members in Vipul's family. There are some members who do not eat what Vipul eats. Some members are there, they do not eat the same food what Vipul can eat. Do you think these people do not eat or cannot eat what Vipul eat? Why should this happen? So for this answer, let's read about Vipul's family. While returning home from school, Vipul bought a bhutta. Bhutta means corn on the cob. We call in Gujarati Makkai Dodo. He reached home and asked his mother, "Where is Munni? I want to see her." Her mother replied, "Munni is in the room upstairs." Vipul caught his grandmother's hand and said, "You also come with me." His mother stopped him. "I have soaked Ba's chapati in dal. Let her first have her meal." See, here we can see that Vipul's mother called his grandmother as Ba, and she said, "I soaked chapati in dal for Ba." So why mother soaked chapati in dal? Because Ba is very old and she might not be having teeth. So to make her food soft, his mother soaked chapati in dal, so Dadi can eat easily. Then what happened? "Have you put sugar in dal?" said Dadi to Vipul's mother. What Dadi asked his mother? "Have you put sugar in dal?" Means Dadi like to eat sweet dal. "I have tasted the dal. It has been prepared well, replied Vipul's mother. Vipul's mother said, I have tasted the dal and it has been prepared well. Vipul picked up his grandmother's plate and ran upstairs. He asked her to follow him quickly. So what Vipul had done? He picked up his grandmother's plate. He took his grandmother's plate and ran upstairs, and he asked her to follow him quickly. You come with me fast. When I was of your age, I could run up a hill in the same time, said Dadi. What Dadi said? When I was like you, I could run up a hill. But now she is very old, so she cannot run like Vipul. Vipul gave the bhutta he was eating to his mommy, washed his hand and lifted little Munni. What happened? Vipul gave bhutta to his mommy and washed his hands. Okay, dear students, we also have to wash our hands before eating food. Suddenly Munni started crying. She is hungry, said Mommy, and she sat down to feed Munni. Suddenly what happened? Munni started crying. So Mommy said maybe she is hungry, and she sat down to feed Munni. Now here question given to us, think and write. Why was Dadi not able to climb the stairs quickly? See, Dadi. So Dadi was very old, so she was not able to climb the stairs quickly. How does Dadi like to have her dal? So Dadi wants sugar in her dal. Which kind of dal do you like? Students, I have written answer for me. Your answer may be vary. Your answer may be different. So you write your answer. Here I have written I like to eat masala dal. I don't like sweet dal. Now how many person in the story can eat bhutta easily and why? See. Mother, mommy and Vipul can eat bhutta easily because they have strong teeth. Can all old people eat bhutta? Why? No. All old people cannot eat bhutta because all of them have no strong teeth. For 4 months, Munni will have only her mother's milk. That is her only food. Why? See, Munni is 4 months old only. So she will have only her mother's milk. Why? She also does not have teeth because Munni is only 4 months old. So she does not have teeth. Now ask and write. Here given to us what they can eat, what they can not eat. So first we have to write about child. What child can eat? So child can eat milk, dal, khichdi, and what they cannot eat? They cannot eat groundnuts, hard foods, etc. Now young. What young people can eat? So they can eat everything that is edible. And what they cannot eat? So they can eat everything. No? Now what old people can eat? So old people can eat dal, rice, milk, khichdi, roti soaked in dal. And what they cannot eat? They cannot eat groundnut, corn, bhakri, hard foods like child. So this is what about things that we can or cannot eat. Do we eat all the things that we can eat? Not always. We can also not eat all the things. Let us talk about those things that we do eat. So dear students, here you have to put circle on the things that you like to eat often most. You like most to eat, on that item you have to make circle. Now on the next page, most of our food is made of different things. Depending on what grows easily at which place, different things are eaten at different place. Find out where each of the above things is eaten more. So our food habits depends on place where we live. Suppose we live in area where rice grow easily, so we eat rice most. Okay? So our eating habits depends on place where we live. Now we do not only eat different things, but we also use the same things to prepare a variety of food items. Okay, mummy prepares a variety of food items from the same thing. So find out and write what all can be prepared from rice and wheat. So generally we make chapati from wheat, but mummy prepare a variety of food items from wheat also, like sev, puri, bhakri, sira, laddu. These all items can prepare from wheat. Now from rice pulav is given to you, but many other food items also we prepare with rice, like idli, papad, kheer, sev, dosa, etc. Now how many things can you write? So here we have written many things, no? Similarly, different pulses, vegetables, fruits, meat, etc. are eaten in different places. People have different likes and dislikes. Let us talk about it. So, we eat different pulses, vegetables, fruit, meat, etc. We do not eat same kind of food every day. We eat different kinds of food, because from different kinds of food we get different nutrients. So, but we have different likes and dislikes. Some food item we like to eat and some we do not like to eat. So, let us talk about it. Think and write. Write the names of 3 food items you like to eat and 3 food items you dislike. Okay, so dear students, here you have to write 3 food items which you like the most. Suppose I said I like paneer, chicken, eggs, okay, and dislike means which food items I don't like. Suppose I write lady's finger, potato, brinjal, I don't like to eat. So same way you have to write your like and dislike in these given boxes. Think and tell. Are your likes and dislikes similar to that of your friends? Are your likes and dislikes similar to that of your family members? No. Our likes and dislikes are not similar to our family members and even with our friends, because each person is unique and they have different tastes. Their likes and dislikes are different. Okay. See, many children do not like to eat bitter gourd. Okay, we call it karela. But students, the bitter juice is helpful in keeping the body free from disease. So we must eat bitter food items also. Now here 3 children are given to us, and let us know what people like to eat. They said about their likes. So first picture, the name of this girl is Hansi, and she said, I live in Valsad. My mother and I both love to eat umbadiyu. Whenever we feel like eating it, we go to a farmhouse and eat umbadiyu like undiyu. So dear students, umbadiyu means it's like undiyu. We eat undiyu on Uttarayan. So here Hansi and her mother love to eat umbadiyu. And whenever they feel like to eat umbadiyu, where they go? They go to their farm.